If you're tired of trying to find those unsaturated digital niches to put in your Etsy shop, or you don't even know where to begin, or you may not even know what your niche should be, then I got you. Welcome back to episode 3 of my March video series, where I am sharing a video every week in the month of March where I reveal 5 unsaturated digital products that you can begin selling in your shop today. Let's get into it. Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Danya, and on my channel I share with you everything I've learned and what I continue to learn as I grow my Etsy shop. I relaunched my digital shop in July of 2024, and in just a few short months I quickly became a top 1.5% seller on the platform, and I want the same for you. Oh, and make sure you watch the entire video because I'm revealing a niche making over $3,100 from one listing. You definitely don't want to miss out. Without any further ado, we'll hop right in. Okay, and for number 1, we have a printable worksheet. I'm going to pull up the keyword research tool directly from Everbee, and when we type in printable worksheet, we are given over 1,100 monthly searches, but we have 109,000 competition, which is way too much competition, and that is why Everbee tells us that we have a low keyword score of 10. Going back into the listing, we can see directly from Etsy that we have that beautiful bestseller badge, and the item is in over 20 carts, which is perfect. Pulling up the analytics from Everbee, we see here that we have a fairly new listing. We only have a 6-month-old listing with 998 sales, making $625 a month. And in the last month, it has made almost 170 orders, doing incredibly well. You guys know the drill. We're going to go right down into the tag section. Okay, I have the tags pulled up, and we have Brainstorm Planner with 1 monthly search, a little weird, only 5 competition, and we have a 250 keyword score. Then we have Priority Matrix with 243 monthly searches, 1,200 competition, and a keyword score of 190. Then we have Brain Dump Sheet with 63 monthly searches, 500 competition, and a keyword score of 130. This one is a great listing and people want it, and there is a clear need for it and not much competition. Moving on to number 2. We have a bridal shower bundle. It is an editable template, and those always do well on the platform. People like to make things their own, but have a lot of the bulk work done for them. Now, moving down to the keyword research tool from Everbee, when we type in bridal shower invitation, we're given 642 monthly searches, but 125,000 competition, and again, a low keyword score of 10. Moving back over to the listing, we have that bestseller badge, and we have it in over 20 carts. Very, very impressive, and that is where we all want to be with our listings. Moving into the analytics from Everbee, we have a 3-month-old listing with 125 total sales. This month alone, it is making over $1,400. In the last 30 days, it has had 47 orders, doing incredibly well. We'll move down to the tag section. Okay, and pulling up the tags on the item, we have Bridal Games Bundle with over 600 monthly searches, only 9,400 competition, keyword score of 70. Then we have Espresso Bridal with 86 monthly searches, 1,900 competition, and a keyword score of 50. Then we have Bridal Shower Bundle with 721 monthly searches, 18,000 competition, and a keyword score of 40. The good thing about the wedding and the bridal niche is that it is an evergreen product and an evergreen niche, which means that you can sell it all year round. People are always getting married. People are always having bridal showers. So you really can't go wrong with the bridal niche or the wedding niche. Moving into number 3. Before we move into number 3, I wanted to let you know that I launched a new community where I am providing my members every day with a low competition, unsaturated niche like the ones that I'm sharing in today's video and in my prior videos. If you're tired of overthinking, being overwhelmed, and not knowing where to begin, and you're ready to level up your shop, take it to the next level, then check out the link below. We would love to have you. Moving into number 3. Okay, and for number 3, we have a t-shirt graphic. This one in particular is an SVG file and a PNG file. The shop owner is offering both. However, using the keyword research tool, When you type in PNG, you can see here that we have 1,200 monthly searches, 5.2 million competition, and a keyword score of 0. That is entirely way too much competition. Going back into the item, we can see yet again, we have that bestseller badge and it's an over 20 card. We'll go ahead and pull up the analytics and we can see that we have a 2-month-old listing with over 500 orders in a 2-month period, which is so cool, making over $1,400 a month. This month alone, it has had 273 orders, doing incredibly well. We'll move down to the tag section. Okay, and looking at the top 3 tags, we have MLK PNG with 73 monthly searches, 2,000 competition, and a keyword score of 40. Then we have Black Bestseller with 398 monthly searches, 1,300 competition, and a keyword score of 30. Then we have Celebrate Juneteenth with 102 monthly searches, 5,000 competition, and a keyword score of 30. Moving into number 4. And for number 4, we have really adorable wall art, and we all know we love wall art. However, it can be oversaturated if you don't do it correctly. Pulling up the keyword research tool, when we type in wall art, we are given 8,700 monthly searches with 18.7 competition and a keyword score of 0. Going back into the listing, we can see that we have that bestseller badge and 6 people bought the item in the last 24 hours, which is very, very cool, especially because they're selling it for $17. That'll add up very, very quickly. We'll go ahead and pull up the analytics. Okay, and we have a 3-month-old listing with 248 sales, making over $1,600 a month. In the past month, it has had over 80 orders. Again, doing incredibly well, and there is room for you. And I'm hoping with these videos that you are getting inspiration and you are feeling more confident that there is room for you on the platform. We'll go down to the tag section. Okay, we have Teddy Bear Sports with 100 monthly searches, 1,800 competition, and a keyword score of 60. Then we have Sports Gallery Wall with 191 monthly searches, 4,800 competition, and a keyword score of 40. Then we have Boy Sports Room with 356 monthly searches, 12,000 competition, and a keyword score of 30. Another brand new listing doing incredibly well. Let's move into number 5. Okay, number 5, I find to be incredibly cool and unique, and it is a custom album cover poster. I mean, how cool is that? And I don't feel like you see a lot of that on the platform. I'm very, very interested in this one, but we will begin with the keyword research tool. And if we type in poster with nothing else, we're given over 5,300 monthly searches, over 4 million competition, and a keyword score of 0. But going back into that listing, we again have that bestseller badge and over 20 views in the last 24 hours. We'll pop up the analytics and we can see that we have a 3-month-old listing, yet another new listing with over 600 orders, making over $3,100 a month. And this month alone, it has had over 200 sales. One listing, very, very cool. And it's a very unique idea. We'll go down to the tag section. Okay, and we have our tag section pulled up. We have Choose Album Cover with over 300 monthly searches, 600 competition, and 530 keyword score. Then we have Album Track List with 281 monthly searches, 2,400 competition, and a keyword score of 110. Then we have Favorite Album Print with 107 monthly searches, 1,000 competition, and a keyword score of 100. This can really be a very sentimental gift to people, and they can get this for a number of different occasions. It could be a birthday, it can be an anniversary, it can be a ton of other things that will appeal to a large amount of people, and it's evergreen. It'll sell all year round. Don't forget to check out the link below to join our incredible community where the members in there are making a ton of forward movement and getting great results in their shops, and we want the same for you. So hopefully we'll catch you over there. The video on your screen here goes over 5 more unsaturated digital products. Go ahead and give it a watch, and I'll catch you over there. Thanks for watching. Bye.